Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I know a lot of you have your interview scheduled in the next few weeks. So I have two of my friends today, Ambika and Nimisha. They have both cleared AmazeWow interviews and they have got the intern offers. They are going to share their interview experiences with us. Hi Nimisha, hi Ambika.
Hi,
Hello.
Kushbu.
So, firstly, I would like to just deep dive into your interview experiences. How many rounds were there? Which type of questions were there? And then, were there any fundamental questions like on core subjects of computer science, or it was like completely technical? So, yeah.
Okay, so there were 3 rounds. So in first round we had the computer fundamentals, OS, DBMS, networking, Linux, programming, OOPS, software testing, and DSA.
Mhm.
So all of it in the first round,
Oh, it was
and
a
then
online assessment, I guess. Yeah.
yeah, it was an online assessment. And then coming to the second round, it had 4 components: code debugging round and work styles assessment, reasoning ability. Some of them were like you can't go back to the question which you have already visited. For the entire test, there's a time limit, but the already visited questions you can't go back. So we have to read the instructions carefully. And finally, the third round is the interview round. This is coding. This was like coding interview.
Okay. So, there were like DSA questions. What were the difficulty part?
Okay, coming to the difficulty, first round was, I felt difficult. It was difficult, first round. Second round was a bit easier than the first round. Like the reasoning questions were nice, coding questions also,
Mm.
and also the code debugging questions also. They were
Yeah,
comparatively
so
easier.
second round went pretty easier compared to the first round because the first round was quite diverse with different topics, which we may not or we might have learned, but like round two was specific to the role, which made it easy to solve. And yes, then the third round was interview, which focused mainly on the basic concepts like stacks, queues, and hoops and trees.
Okay. So, how will you rate the difficulty of questions that were asked in interview? So, like lead code, easy, medium, hard. We can go with that.
Lead code, easy and medium.
Yeah,
Okay.
lead code easy and medium.
Okay. And like, what are the things you felt ki you might need them for an interview if there are like just 2 days left for an interview? What are the two topics or three topics you would like to revise?
Yeah, so to be honest, the interviews were easiest, I feel, among the 3 rounds because they specifically were based on very basic data structures and didn't focus much on like DP and everything. So I feel if you have an interview in 2, 3 days, it's better you focus on stacks, queues, linked list, and heaps and trees.
Yeah, the third round was much easier. Also, the interviewer was very friendly and helping us out. When we are talking out the code, he was like, "Okay, we are going the right way." Like when I
Hmm.
got deviated, and he was like, "No, no, no, you're right. You're going the right
Okay,
way."
okay.
So that way, I could know that okay, I'm going in the right direction.
Okay. Yeah, that helps a lot. Even my interviewers in
Hmm.
Microsoft, they were really friendly. I was like, that's the perfect thing ever. So, what are the focus of revision you will feel? Ki? How did you started to prepare? Were you preparing from a past 1 year or like you just started 3 months back? How was the preparation strategy?
So I started with DSA like a year ago and started with basic questions itself. And since this had the basics, so I guess that was enough. I started first with HackerRank and then moved to Lead Code.
Same here. I was doing code stuff also, the long September long challenges, but my primary focus was on lead code.
Okay, that's great. Are there any things that you would like to like focus key if I got a chance to change this thing, what it would be like?
For me, like I was preparing all the topics, so I feel it would have been better if I just did the basic topics. But yeah, doing the other topics helps for other interviews. I think.
Yeah, because even now a lot of people have their Google interviews too, so they need to prepare both.
Yeah.
Like,
Even I was actually preparing for like uh, I thought basics were like good, so I was preparing for advanced topics Like I was preparing for graphs, I thought they would ask, and I could have focused more on trees.
Yeah. Okay. So, and final thing, like, are there any tips for people who actually have their interviews in next few days or like week?
Okay, so the first thing I would advise is talk aloud, because that helps your save your time also. You will be able to solve more questions in that time, because interviewer is there to help you. He will guide you at least, if you're going in the right way or not, whether you have reached the correct complexity that he expects, or then he wants you to reduce it. So that's the first thing. And then also keep on reading the mail so that you don't miss one, and have patience.
I would like to add to that. Also write proper variable names, and also like clean spacing and all. And also while writing the code, explaining like each line of code, like at least reading it out, like I'm doing this for this. So I have completed till here. Now I have to do this. So even that helps a lot.
What was the timeline about? Like, how much days it took from starting from the whole process to the end and selection made?
Okay, so I have written it down for you all specifically. So on 19 June, the portal opened where we logged into Amazon, and then there were some sessions arranged for us, like a resume tips and how to approach different sessions and sections and interviews and everything. So they started on June 28th. After which, on August 14th, we got an online assessment test thing, which will be conducted on 16th and 17th. After clearing the first online assessment on 20th August, we got the mail for the second assessment, which was conducted from 23rd to 25th August. And after that, on September 7th, we got it, we are selected for the interviews, and interviews started happening from 14th, where we were given the forms for filling our availability. And then I had chosen October 3rd. So I got their mail on October 1st. Like they gave it 24 to 48 hours prior. On 1st October, I got the link and everything related to where will be the interview and all the instructions. And soon after the interview on 3rd October, today morning on 1st October, I got the selection mail.
That's
So
so
that's it.
super quick. Like, on third you gave the interview and you got the mail on fifth. That's awesome.
Yeah, so I gave my slot on 18th September,
Mhm.
and I got my acceptance mail on 23rd September. So it was on fifth day.
Okay, I think this we have covered everything. And if you're watching this, I hope you all the best for your interviews. And if you have any questions, obviously you can go and ping both of them on LinkedIn. And yeah, we
Yeah.
will see you all super soon. Goodbye.